Hello and welcome to another C++ programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we've learned how to process a formula in C++. As you can see, I've already put out the code here. In this formula that I'm calculating, I'm figuring out the weight based on mass times gravity, where mass is a variable and gravity is a constant. And so in this example, we will learn how you can declare a constant in C++. As you can see on line number 12, how we declare constants in C++. So I'm declaring a constant of type double. The name is g. The value is 9.8. On line number 13, you can see I'm declaring the two variables that I need for my calculations. One is a variable that I will accept the input from user, which is mass, and the other one is gravity, is weight, which will be the output. On lines 15 and 16, I am accepting input from user as I shared with you in my last example through the cout and the cin process. On line number 17, we are performing a calculation which is mass times gravity, and on line number 19, I'm displaying the weight. Let's run this application. As you can see, please enter mass, which is same as the statement I wrote on line number 15. So as I enter mass and enter, and then it calculates 4.67 times 9.8, and that is the value for weight. As you can see from line number 19, it says weight is this much. So this is how you can write any formula, any complicated formula, any complex formula, compute the results, take input, compute the results, and display the output.